welcome to my video. So today I really want to give this another try. A couple weeks ago I tried to color my hair pink using the RI Pink hairspray, and it didn't turn out too well. My hair turned a little bit purple. So I bought another temporary hair color. This one's by Sovoncare. Comes in this gold box, as you can see, and the color pink. So this one is, the ingredients is water, which is a good sign. Beeswax, also good. It has no alcohol. It has castor oil, titanium dioxide, and it has, it has very little ingredients. I'll put the ingredients in the box over here, over there, so you can see the full list. So let's just get started because I'm excited. I really want my hair to be pink. I just want something edgy. So when I open the box, this is how it looks. Hair coloring material. So I want to compare this to hair paint wax as well. So this is another company. When I open it, it just pops open. Okay. Ooh, so pretty. It looks so creamy. It smells nice. And that's how it looks. Oh, that smells really nice. It smells like a hint of a grown woman. If you know what I mean, like when it's adult grown women, like elder women perfumes. It's like those expensive perfumes. The ones that cost like $100 for like half an ounce or something. It smells good. Alright, I want to get started. So, my hair is super moisturized right now, and if you can tell, it's a sunny day because it's all in my face. So if I'm squinting a little bit, it's because the sun is right there in my eyes, like staring right there. So just ignore that. So I have my continuous spray, and I have my hair tie, and I have some coconut oil, some unrefined coconut oil. I'm not going to use that much of it because my hair is still pretty moisturized. I just took it down today from a protective style, and it still has a good amount of oil in there. So I'm just going to go ahead and get started. So I always start from the back. I'm just going to pull this up. Now I'm only going to do a couple of these for you, and then I'm going to pause and come back to you when I have the whole head done. So as normal, this is going to be a twist out. The reason why I always have twist outs instead of braids outs with my temporary hair color, because twists are easier to take down and faster. I mean, braids are okay too, but twists are less faster. So I just sprayed my hair with the water, and I'm putting a little bit of coconut oil. I'm just going to finger detangle it just a little bit, all the way up. So my protective style was twists in the back and braids in the front. So that's why it's like two different textures or something. Anywho, so I'm going to start off with a little bit. So I'm going to get that much. Rub in your hands. I'm going to start on the outside. Then I will work my way in. Just do the prey hands going down. Then I'm going to get some more. And this is when I split it in two. So then I do this side. And I get some more, and I do the top side. The funny thing is that pink is my least favorite color. Believe it or not. I'm trying so hard to get my hair to turn pink, and I don't even like pink. My favorite colors are black and forest green. Can't really see anything now. Yeah, black and forest green are my favorite colors. I don't like pink because it just seems so, I don't know, so Barbie doll, I guess. But I wear pink sometimes, very rarely, and I want to wear pink and like pastel colors because it looks really good with my skin tone. Like my skin tone calls for pastel colors and like summer, not summer, but like spring colors and pink. It just looks good with my skin tone, so I embrace it. And whenever I wear pink, I like the color for that moment while I'm wearing it. And then when I'm finished wearing it, I'm back to my love-hate relationship with the color pink. Okay, so I'm back and I closed the window because I started to feel like a sauna in here. It was way too hot. Plus it's better. So I did all the rest of these and now I'm just gonna do this last one. The main problem that I had with the hairspray of my hair turning pink is that my hair is too dark for the actual color to show up. So let's see if this works. Hopefully it does. We shall see. I was asking my husband earlier today if I can play in his hair. Because my husband has natural long hair too. And I asked him if I can give him a silk press. Because I don't want to do it in my hair. I've already had my hair straightened the other day. And I'm good on getting my hair straightened for another couple years. But I just want to do something different. I'm like, I have the heat protectant. Can I do your hair? I just want to blow it out and straighten it. So he said he would think about it. I might ask him if I can do it on camera. That way I can show you guys how I do a silk press. But I don't know. It depends. Most likely he'll probably say no. But we'll see. I'll ask him. But I just want to play. I just want to play in hair. And I'm just in the mood to play in somebody's hair. You know, like when you're a kid and you just see somebody's hair, you just start playing in it, or like, oh, can I do your hair? Can I put a braid in your hair? Something like that. I'm just in that type of mood. Even though I'm doing my hair now, I want to do a silk press because I've never done one before. And I've seen videos of it. And again, I don't want my hair that straight. I just don't. I love my hair being curly. Okay, so I am done. Make sure I have the color on my edges. And also, this is a natural product, so they say that in their description. I will also put the link in the description box on where I bought this product. I got it from Amazon. It was like between $10 or $12, I believe. Which I normally spend $10 on hair paint wax, so we'll see. I will see you guys in the morning with the final result. Good morning, everyone. I'm ready to take down my twist with the Sovoncare paint temporary hair color. And let's see what we have. So I wanted to have extra definition in my twist. So what I did last night when I stretched these out is that I would grab one and even though it's twisted, I'll twist it really tight all the way down. And then I'll keep twisting until it starts folding in on itself, and then I'll stretch it out and pin it up that way. That gives you an extra definition to your twist out. So let's see how this turns out. I really want pink hair, but I don't think science is going to allow that to happen. My hair is too dark, but we can see. I always like to test theories and see, because if you don't try, then how would you know? So I asked my husband if I can do his hair and put it on film, but of course I knew he was probably going to say no, but not no to the filming part, just no to me doing the silk press. He has the same reason that I don't want to do my silk press, because he just doesn't want his hair that straight, and I don't blame him, because I don't want my hair that straight either. So I respect that. I'll just have to wait for my opportunity to do it on somebody else, or maybe one day I'll do it on myself, but that won't be for a long time. Another reason I like doing twist out, because they're just so easy and so fast to take down. Every time I take down my twist out, I like to separate it. See? Look at that definition. So I can show you how it looks before I separate it. So this is how it looks before I separate it. Looks nice, right? Now the color is not coming out pink. I mean, it's a little pink, but I don't know if it's my eyesight or something, but I always see purple. Like maybe like it's a lavender color going on right now. I mean, I do see some pink in there, so it's not like I don't see pink at all. It's kind of like I see different colors. I see purple, I see a little pink, and I also see some gray. So I'm seeing a lot of different colors. So aside from the color, the product in my hair is super moisturized. Not a dry, brittle spot is in my hair, and it smells really good. Yesterday it smelled like a older lady's cologne, like a light scent of it. But today I'm smelling like a fresh linen smell, like you put fabric softener in clothes in the dryer, and then it comes out smelling all spring and linen and fresh. It smells really good. And look at this. This is so nice. This is like a really nice twist out. It's so defined. There we go. And just tease it a little bit. All in all, I would use this as I'll probably use this in my protective style instead of having it as my hair down or something. But I like the product. I'm just a little bit disappointed that my hair is not like very vibrant pink, but I should have known. I mean, I did know that it probably wasn't going to do that. I just like to try and see. But just so you get a closer look, this is how it turned out. So yeah, there you go. So yeah, that's my tutorial for using Sovoncare pink temporary hair color. Thank you so much for watching my video. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and click the notification buttons. That way you know the next time I upload a video. Until next time, bye. And also, I didn't use that much. I only used a little bit. So I can get probably like I'd say like 3 more applications out of this just from here. So it spreads very evenly. So it will last you a while. Smells good.